Hey guys, this is Kurt's Culinary, and today we are going to do Kurt's pulled pork. All right, this is a two-step process. So our first step is you have a pork loin. This is a half a pork loin. It weighs 3.5 pounds. You take that, you put it into your crock pot. It's halfway thawed because you want the juices as it's slowly cooking. And you're going to take 1 cup of vinegar. You're going to put that in there. And then you're going to take just a little bit of liquid smoke. You're going to start on one end. Just kind of go to the other end. You do not need a lot of this. It is very powerful. You can always add more if you like or less, but I just go from one end to the other, and that's all. And then we have Famous Dave's rib rub. This stuff is absolutely delicious, and it is a very, very good rib rub. Okay, rib rub, pork, it's good on everything. All right, so you are going to be pretty heavy with this. You want to coat the top real nice, and after that, you want to pat it down. All right. And then you want to coat it just a little more. And you want to pat this down again. All right. Now that the pork is seasoned, we can go ahead and finish it up. All you have to do with this is cover it. We can use our crock pot lid here, and you will leave this sit in the refrigerator overnight. It has to marinate. Let it marinate. As it's marinating, the vinegar will open up the meat. The seasonings will continue to just, this pork loin is just going to suck in all of this seasoning, and it is going to have delicious flavor and be absolutely delicious. So this is Kurt's pulled pork. This is part 1, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.